Hope everybody well. So I came back with another little issue. The problem is I I have forgotten to add the button in the column box. So if we see our PSD file, the PSD file have a column, a button. So let's go to the add the button in the column box. So first of all, we need to go to the Elementor edit panel. So I am here the edit panel and I'm going to add a button. So click the button widget and drop the column box. Okay, and change that column button text read more. Okay, we have no link right now, so I just now skip. I'm going to skip. Okay, and change the color. This is our color, and copy the color. Well, I have added the color, background color, button background color, and need to add the text color. So I have copied the text color and adding the text color in the button. Okay, edit and go to the content and alignment center. Okay, and also need a go to our in style and go to the border radius 20 is perfect. Okay, this is our button. So I just copy the button and paste the another column box. So copy and paste here, and also paste. Okay, everything is perfect, and update and refresh the main page, and there is added the button. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, like the video and subscribe the channel. So thank you for watching the video.